Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit. I'm Tony Hill, personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, and YouTuber. Hey, welcome, guys. Hey, look, coming back to you with a follow-up video. I did a video about hard pulls and soft pulls and how they affect your credit. This was kind of like another one in progression of that. And this one's about, can you get credit increases with soft pulls. So, look, before I dive in, hey, smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Feel free to make a comment if you like it. Most of all, share this with your friends and family if you think it's something they can use. And I know it is. Well, look, make sure you subscribe. All right, thanks. Welcome to my channel. Hey, look, I kind of compiled this for you. Look, can you get a credit limit increase with a soft pull? And people ask me that all the time. My clients, everyone want to know. Look, getting a hard credit limit on existing accounts could involve either a soft pull or a hard pull. It varies by issuers as long as based on the circumstances. For example, some credit card companies use a soft inquiry to evaluate cardholders for automatic credit limit increases, and a hard inquiry when a cardholder proactively requests a higher limit. You can find a breakdown of the biggest issuers' policies below. Look, credit card companies soft pull for automatic increases. Look, if you have a credit card, you did a nice job, you don't have to call them. These are the ones that they increase your limit automatically without you even ever calling them. American Express, yes. Bank of America, yes. Barclays, yes. Capital One, yes. Chase, yes. Citibank, sometimes depending on what their system decides. Discover, yes. May ask to do a hard inquiry for a closer look. PNC, my bank, no automatic increases. Synchrony Bank, yes. USAA, no. US Bank, no. Other bank, Wells Fargo, no. So there you go. Soft pulls for requested increases. This is when you call in to ask them. Soft pulls for requested increase. Sometimes depending on what their system decides. Sometimes depending on what their system decides. American Express. Uh, Sometimes depending on what their system decides. Bank of America, Barclays, no. Capital One, yes. Soft pull for credit requested increase. Chase, no. Citibank, sometimes depending on what their system decides. Discovery, yes, may ask to do a hard for a closer look. They could ask. Synchrony, PNC, again, no. Synchrony, no. USAA, no. US Bank, sometimes depending on what their systems decides. And Wells Fargo, yes. So Capital One, Discover, and Wells Fargo, a yes, unless they ask you to do a hard pull for a closer look. So look, this is a short video. I hope this helps. I will leave this in the description below. I just can't, like I said, I found this somewhere. I can't think where, but I'll give you the PDF of it so you can check that out. But just a quick video. Hopefully you got some out of this. Tony Hill, Making Sense of Credit. And to the next one, I'm going to come back again to you with another inquiry video. Stay tuned. Peace.